Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're diving into a bit of tech history. We'll explore how to enable NPAPI in Microsoft Edge. Sounds a bit complex, right? Well, it isn't. NPAPI is a technology that allowed web browsers to run plugins. Think of things like Java applets or old video players. Microsoft Edge, in its modern form, doesn't natively support NPAPI. It's been disabled for security reasons. But sometimes, you might need it to access older websites or specific applications. So, how do we do it? Well, you can't directly enable NPAPI in the current versions of Microsoft Edge. It's no longer an option built into the browser settings. Microsoft removed support for NPAPI plugins a while back due to security vulnerabilities and the emergence of better technologies like HTML5. This was a move to improve the overall security and stability of the browser. Modern websites and web applications rarely rely on NPAPI plugins. Instead, they use more secure and efficient alternatives. But what if you absolutely must access content that requires NPAPI? There are a couple of workarounds you can try, although they are not ideal and come with inherent risks. One option is to use an older version of a browser that still supported NPAPI. This is not recommended because older browsers often have security flaws that can expose your computer to malware. Another option is to use a virtual machine. A virtual machine allows you to run an older operating system with an older browser that supports NPAPI. This isolates the potentially vulnerable environment from your main system, reducing the risk of infection. Remember to only access trusted websites when using NPAPI plugins. Because these plugins are outdated and prone to security issues, only use them as a last resort. Think carefully before enabling this feature. There are security implications. Ensure you understand these risks. If you still decide to proceed, use a virtual machine if possible. This keeps your main system safe. Avoid entering personal information on websites requiring NPAPI plugins. Always update your antivirus software. Keep your operating system patched. By taking these precautions, you can minimize the risks associated with using NPAPI. It is important to understand that Microsoft Edge does not officially support NPAPI anymore. These are merely workarounds that come with risks. These are just temporary solutions. Modern websites are migrating away from these technologies. The future of web browsing is with newer, safer technologies. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand NPAPI and its limited support in modern browsers. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Consider subscribing for more tech tutorials and explanations. You can also support the channel through Patreon or by buying our merchandise. Every little bit helps us create more content for you. Thanks again.